After the application of mural yellow, the next step in our painting is mural red. First, let's have a look at the color mixing ratio for mural red. Scarlet Lake 80%, yellow ochre 20%, and sap green just a tinge at the tip of the brush. Please make sure sap green does not exceed the mentioned quantity. If exceeded, this whole shade will turn into brown. You can add water and dilute according to the dilution explained in former videos. There are two applications for mural red here, direct filling and shading with highlights. Direct filling is applicable more for bands. And now let's see how highlighting is done. First, let's load mural red onto a brush and apply only to the edges. Onto another brush, load water and blend the mural red applied to the edges inwards towards the center. You can blend it using water inwards towards the center so that we have darker shade near edges and lighter towards the center of each element. This technique is applied for all elements, however big or small. Nagapadam has more bands, hence direct filling is done. Other elements where shading and highlighting is done is shown here. This method applies for ornaments, clothing, kireedam, chevipu and background. For hair, this is a personal tip I am about to share. To prevent white patches of paint appearing on the hair element, first a coat of mural red is applied before black is applied. For the background, first I am applying mural red highlights to design elements like Valli, Lata, etc. Then I'm applying shading using mural red for the rest of the canvas. Treating the canvas as a whole, edges to inwards, a highlight is given. So edges are darkened and around our deity, it will be lighter. This will provide an aura to our deity. Direct filling using blending is done for lips. 2 or 3 coats are applied. Inside of hands are also mural red filling. Hope these steps are clear for everyone, and if you have any more doubts, do write to us in the comment section below. We'll see you in our next tutorial, that's mural green. Please do subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any videos in this series. Stay tuned.